Imagine a city where traffic lights adapt to you, not the other way around. Picture an intersection where the lights know when to change, relieving your frustration as you inch forward through gridlocked streets. Today, we embark on a journey through urban mobility, exploring the challenges posed by outdated fixed-timer traffic lights and unveiling the promise of smart, sensor-driven systems. In this narrative, we'll reveal how fixed timers create chaos and gridlock, and how, by harnessing sensors and artificial intelligence, our cities can transform traffic into a fluid, efficient experience. Across our bustling cities, fixed-timer traffic signals stand as relics of a bygone era. Their rigid schedules do not account for the unpredictable flow of daily life. The consequences are visible at every congested intersection, where idling engines pollute the air and drivers wage silent battles against time. Congestion breeds frustration. Long delays that add minutes to our commutes and long lines of vehicles reduced to mere obstacles in our path. Fixed timers worsen the intensity of stop-and-go traffic, churning out emissions and stoking road rage. Every day, countless urban residents confront these issues, witnessing firsthand how static traffic systems contribute to longer travel times and diminished urban air quality. Underneath the surface, the problem is both technical and human. Traditional systems operate on predetermined schedules, ignoring the real-time fluctuations of traffic. This misalignment means that when a rush-hour surge occurs unexpectedly, the timers remain oblivious, leading to unnecessary idling and slowing down emergency responses. The consequences are dire. Increased emissions create environmental hazards, while stagnant traffic piles up frustrations in the hearts of commuters. Seeing cars stalled and horns blaring is a harsh reminder that our aging infrastructure no longer meets the demands of modern urban life. Yet within this challenge lies a spark of innovation, a promise of transformation achieved through smart technology. Enter smart traffic lights, a solution that redefines control over our urban arteries. These systems integrate sensor cameras, radar, and induction loops to capture real-time data on vehicle counts, speeds, hue, and flow patterns. By applying artificial intelligence to this flood of information, adaptive control systems dynamically adjust signal timings. They can extend green lights for longer queues or shorten red lights when roads clear quickly. Imagine passing through an intersection where your car barely stops because the signal recognizes the volume of traffic and adapts on the fly. Powerful data analytics work behind the scenes to predict traffic patterns and tweak light cycles, resulting in smoother rides and fewer stops. Sensors tell the story. Cameras capture live images of vehicle clusters, radar picks up subtle changes in speed, and induction loops in the pavement reveal the presence of each vehicle. Each component is a puzzle piece of a larger solution, a network that communicates not just with each other, but also with the myriad devices across a smart city. In this network, signals are not isolated islands. They become part of an intelligent ecosystem where every light is aware of its surroundings. Consider an intersection on a busy avenue. As sensors detect a surge in vehicles, the system instantaneously recalibrates the signal durations to ease the pressure. This is not science fiction. It is the everyday reality in cities that have embraced AI-driven adaptive systems. The advantages of these smart systems extend far beyond smoothing traffic flow. They make our roads safer by prioritizing the movement of emergency vehicles and public transport. Every second counts during an emergency, and when traffic signals adjust to clear pathways quickly, crucial lives may be saved. Improved signal coordination reduces the chances of accidents at busy intersections, which means fewer collisions and safer streets. Moreover, when vehicles rarely come to a halt, engines operate more efficiently, cutting down on harmful emissions. Consider Los Angeles, where adaptive signal systems helped reduce average travel times by 12% and lowered emissions by 3 to 4%. This is an encouraging glimpse of a cleaner, more efficient future for urban landscapes. Short waits, quick benefits. Cities around the globe are beginning to embrace this paradigm shift. In Pittsburgh, for example, the implementation of adaptive traffic signals led to a staggering 25% decrease in travel times along key thoroughfares. This change not only enhanced commuter satisfaction, but also improved local air quality, making breathing easier for its residents. Consider also the Chattanooga Digital Twin Project, where machine learning and real-time data were merged to achieve an impressive 32% reduction in traffic delays. Such success stories underscore the transformative potential of smart traffic lights. They provide tangible evidence that with the right technology, we can reduce the friction inherent in our daily commutes. As we explore these implementations, it is impossible to ignore the human element. Behind the numbers are everyday investors, the frustrated commuter stuck in endless traffic, the city planner determined to reduce urban congestion, and the community member longing for cleaner air. These stories bind the technical innovations to real-world impacts. Commuters who once felt trapped in congested streets now enjoy smoother journeys. A glimpse of a smarter system brings hope to a world where travel is efficient, sustainable, and stress-free. The shift from fixed timer systems to adaptive, sensor-driven networks represents not just a technological upgrade, but a substantial improvement in quality of life. Looking forward, the horizon of urban mobility shines even brighter. With ongoing investments in smart city infrastructure, the integration of vehicle-to-infrastructure communication is on the rise. Envision a scenario where not only do traffic lights adapt to real-time conditions, but vehicles communicate directly with them. In this vision, each car sends telemetry data and receives optimized route information, creating a seamlessly interconnected web of mobility. Such integration lays the groundwork for a fully intelligent transport system, where efficiency, safety, and sustainability are ingrained in the infrastructure. In this future, the chaos of fixed schedules gives way to a synchronized flow that responds to the dynamic rhythm of the city, a future where adaptability reigns, a future where technology and humanity unite. As urban populations continue to swell, the need for innovation grows ever more pressing. Cities that once struggled with chronic congestion now have a clear path forward through adaptive traffic control. The shift from rigid timers to flexible, data-driven systems reflects our determination to build smarter, cleaner, and more efficient communities. Each adaptive signal is a small beacon of progress, catalyzing change that touches every corner of urban life. And while the challenges of modernization are significant, so too are the rewards. Reduced emissions help protect our environment, shorten travel times, free up moments for what truly matters, and enhanced safety renews a sense of security in our daily journeys. Picture the city of tomorrow, an urban landscape where intersections pulse with the rhythm of real-time data, where every red light is a brief pause in a symphony of movement, and where the frustration of waiting is replaced with the promise of possibility. Today's smart traffic lights are more than a technological novelty. They are the harbingers of a revolutionary change that will eventually redefine urban living. Their meteoric rise portrays a story of innovation born from frustration, a powerful narrative of human ingenuity poised to reclaim our streets from the gridlock of the past. In our relentless pursuit of progress, the implementation of intelligent traffic management systems remains a beacon of hope. It underscores the potential for a harmonious blend of technology and urban planning, a testament to the vision that cities can and should evolve. This is not just about optimizing traffic, it is about enhancing urban life in its entirety, making room for cleaner air, safer streets, and more vibrant communities. Every successful application of smart traffic technology is a step toward reimagining what urban mobility could be. It is a step toward a future where our roads serve not as symbols of congestion and frustration, but as pathways to freedom and efficiency. Today, we stand at the precipice of a new era in traffic management, a time where outdated systems are replaced with adaptive strategies informed by real-time data and powered by smart technology. The journey is ongoing, and each success paves the way for even greater advancements. We can already see a significant improvement in the efficiency of urban transport, as evidence from cities like Copenhagen shows how prioritizing public transport and sustainable travel modes leads to a more balanced and healthier urban ecosystem. The benefits are clear, the potential enormous. As our journey comes full circle, remember that every delay, every emission, and every moment of road rage is a call to innovate and improve. The evolution of traffic lights from rigid timers to smart systems is a journey of transformation, a shift that offers not only efficiency and reduced congestion, but also a vision of a sustainable, connected future. This transformation is more than just a project. It's a revolution in the way we think about and navigate our cities. As adaptive traffic systems continue to be implemented, the promise of smoother commutes and cleaner air is quickly turning into reality. Smarter intersections, quicker responses, and safer streets are the legacies of this ongoing evolution. Our urban landscape is evolving, and with it, the quality of life of millions of people. The road ahead is clear, and the future is bright. Your journey with us today has shed light on how smart traffic lights can alleviate the chronic issues of gridlock and inefficiency. The convergence of sensors, AI, and adaptive control invites us all to reimagine urban mobility. Let us embrace this change and champion a future where our cities run as smoothly as the technology that powers them. Discover how smart traffic lights are revolutionizing urban mobility and what it means for your city.